guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So I look very vibrant, very bright, very glowy, okay? And I did this all with the James Charles palette. As I had told you in my previous video, that I will definitely be using a lot of colors because it's almost summertime, and you know, summer needs to hurry and come because it's still cold outside. But anyways, this is all of the James Charles color in his palette, and it was a struggle. It was, you will see it, but yeah, I'm not going to be doing too much chit chat. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, come back for more. I upload every single Tuesday and Thursday, and make sure you turn on your bell so you can get notified when I post, okay? All right, so yes, this is the look, and yeah, definitely keep on watching if you want to see how I get this nice beautiful sunset look. So I already did my whole entire face off camera because this is about the eyes and the eyes only. I did nothing different with my, you know, facial thing, my moisturizer, everything is all the same, and I use the MAC foundation and the Tarte concealer, so everything else is pretty much the same. So I really didn't think that I should do my makeup again, you know, and all of that stuff is boring, don't worry. But this is just for the eyes, so everything else is already done. Prime, conceal, all of that. So as you guys know, I am going to go into the James Charles palette. Oh, almost, damn. Okay, so I'm going to go into the James Charles palette, and I'm going to play with colors today, as you guys saw from the title. So pretty much I'm going to be doing a sunset vibes, and you know, it's still cold in New York. I don't know why, but I still have to wear my jacket. So right now I want the sun to come out. I want to get hot, and I want to bring it to you guys, you know. So yeah, I'll be doing that today. So first I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start off with a transition shade, and the shade that I'm going to be using is this one right here. And pretty much I'm going to take it all over my eyelid. This is like a transition shade, and this is like definitely my skin tone. As you can see, it's onto the brush, but when I put it onto my eyelid, it's nowhere to be found. So this is my skin tone, so I'm going to put it all over. So next I'm going to go into this orange shade right here. This one is called Rusted, and I'm going to take it onto the brush, and I'm going to go ahead and put it into the crease and a little bit above. And I'm going to put it a little bit higher because I'm going to be doing a cut crease. So I'm going to go put it a little bit higher than my crease area. And by the way, there's no fallout. You guys can see there's no fallout at all. And I'm going to go into another brush, and I'm going to take the first shade just to blend out the harsh line on top. Okay, so next I'm going to go into Rustic Back, and You're Kidding, and I'm going to take both. I'm going to dip it on both, and the reason why I'm doing that is because I want this color to be more intense, you know. So I'm going to go ahead and dip into both, brush off a little bit, and then just sweep it on. So next I'm going to go ahead and cut my lid, and I'm going to take this white NYX eyeshadow base. I never use white to cut my crease at all, so you know, I'm going to be looking a little bit scary at first, you know, because it's white on my face, my eyelid, and I'm going to take my time with this, okay, and see how it works. Okay guys, so after 1,000,001 years later, this is what I got. All right, so I don't know, listen, cut crease ain't no joke, ain't no joke. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take another brush, and I'm going to use my spray the brush because I want to get a really bright, vivid color. And the first color I'm going to go into is this yellow shade right here, and I'm going to take it onto my brush. I'm really packing in this color because I want this color to be so bright. I not even set the crease at all. I didn't set it, so it's still wet. So I'm packing a lot on, and then I'm going to pat it on just like that. Just pat it. Okay, so this half fall out. So let me put powder underneath so that it doesn't mess up my makeup. Okay. It's not really showing that much. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's patchy. It's very patchy. I don't know what to do. Let me use another brush without the spray and let me see how it is. Go ahead and put it on. It's not even coming out yellow. It's looking bright on camera, but if you see me face to face, it's like mustard. It's not even. Okay, breathe. All right. This is not the way how I want it to be. What am I doing wrong? I don't know. Am I doing something wrong? I used the eyelid base. Oh God. I have to fix this. Like, I have to do something. Oh my God. I don't want to start this video over. Okay. I'm gonna just pack it on, guys. I'm gonna pack it on. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of fallout right under here. I have a lot of fallout. Okay guys, so next I'm going to go into this shade right here. I will put a name on the screen, but I will go into this shade and it's like orange. So I'm going to go ahead and take another brush and pack it onto the other corner. It doesn't look good, guys. It really doesn't look good, but I'm going to finesse it. I'm going to make it look good. I'm going to pat it on. These colors, you can't like sweep it on. You gotta pat, like really pat it on. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Bad Girl Bang mascara. Okay guys, so this is one eye all done. This is what I came up with. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera because it's the same thing. So I really don't want to bore you guys, so I'll be right back. Alright, so guys, the same shadows that I put on top, I did put it at the bottom. I did not put any mascara as yet, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. But I did use the Glam Glow Spray and spray my face. And after I spray my face, I use the Anastasia Blush Trio. And then afterwards, I use Face from the James Charles palette for my highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and do my under eyes. And oh, I did use Face for the inner corner where the glow is. I did use Face and I used Face for the glow. Alright, so as I was doing my lips, I realized that I wasn't recording at all. Oh my God, I cannot believe this. This is so crazy. Okay, so I was using the lip liner. This one is Dusty Rose and this one is from ColourPop and this one is Speed Dial. And I was just lining my lips. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just fix myself up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final look of the makeup tutorial. Very vibrant, very nice sunset colors, and I love it so much. As you guys can see from the you know, in the video, that it was a little bit of struggle, but you know, I still push it through and I got it done. And my eyes are looking nice. All right, so where's my thumbnail? Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Tell me what other color you want me to do next in the James Charles. I think I'm going to be doing blue, because it's the only thing. Yeah, blue and purple is the only thing that left. So you know, I'll be trying out those colors too in my next video to come. But I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to watch this other video that is coming up right after mine. Click it right now and watch that video. And yeah, I will definitely see you again in my next video. Bye guys.